Hey guys, Dr. Kerry Yerkew here. Today I'm going to share with you my basic smoothie for weight loss. I just made this smoothie this morning, entered the ingredients, and here on Carb Manager I'm going to take the ingredients and group it into a meal to make it very simple, just have one entry going forward each day. So I'm going to switch screens and show you guys my screen here. And this smoothie is entered under breakfast right here. And what I had was almond milk, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 0 net carbs, 1 protein, 2.5 fat, and 30 calories. I used PB2 peanut butter with premium chocolate. It's a protein type of powder, 15-gram portion, 5.8 net carbs, 4.6 protein, 1.2 fat, 58 calories. I put in some superfood. It's a red powder made from red vegetables and red berries, and that went into the smoothie. And then probiotics. I put in 50 billion, so 2 capsules of 25, and that went into my smoothie. And that's my basic ingredient for my smoothie. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to make it into a meal. So we're going to go down here to add foods to a meal. We're going to click on that, and we're going to call this basic smoothie. So we're going to put in the meal name right here, basic smoothie for weight loss. And we're going to save it. And we're going to use this going forward for our meals. So for example, for tomorrow, let's see if we can do an entry right here for tomorrow. Okay, it's not letting us do tomorrow, but let's put this in as snack 1, and then we'll review this at the end of the day. So we'll put it in as snack 1, basic smoothie for weight loss. And instead of having to enter all these ingredients each day, which is going to save us time, we're going to have this basic smoothie weight loss right here in our daily routine. And we'll be able to pull that up by just typing that in and using that. So I wanted to show you guys that today. If you have any questions, let me know. And also you can click on the links in the show notes, which will take you over to the book that I published called The 100-Day Diet on Amazon, as well as the course that I am in pre-sales for right now. It's going to be 7 modules, walk you through the steps that are in the book so you can lose weight this year and get in better shape.